Hope is trying to learn how to cook. She's fond of cooking on some new recipes. The other day she faced an interesting one on the internet. Hope is looking through it at the moment. She needs to get some ingredients she doesn't have at home. Hope orders everything online. They promise to deliver the foods in a few hours. Now she has got all here. She peels the vegetables and roasts some of them on a cooker. She chops and mixes the rest of the ingredients. It is going to take her half hours to complete the dish. Hope calls some of her mates and asks them to come and try out her dish. Everything is ready. The friends tuck in the dish. It tastes delicious. They really like it.